Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up iPhone 12 mini, Apple iPhone 12 mini step-by-step setup. So first of all we need to charge the iPhone to be fully charged. Then once it's 100% charged, it will be ready to set up. So firstly, before everything, we need to insert your SIM card. This is on the left side with the SIM tray opener. We got SIM tray tool. We need to open. And then we insert the SIM card. That's it, like that, to the iPhone. And then we start. You need to choose your own language. So for United Kingdom, English. And then the country, select your country of region, United Kingdom. Setting language. Okay, quick start. Set up manually. Alright, now they ask us for Wi-Fi connection. You need to have a Wi-Fi or home broadband. So I will find my own broadband and connect with the home broadband. I need for password. Now we enter the Wi-Fi password. You just say join. And now it's connected to Wi-Fi. Connected. So next step. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Data and privacy, continue. Alright, setting up Face ID. So I tried to set up, continue. Get started. Position your face within the frame. Is done. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Face ID, Face ID, scan complete, continue. Again, move your head slowly to complete the circle. Second Face ID, scan complete, continue. Face ID is now set up. Okay, here we need to create a passcode. So passcode, I prefer 4 digits. If you prefer 6 digit or other, you can continue, but I say passcode options and 4 digit. You got custom numeric or 4 digit numeric code. So 4 digit, and I will choose 4 digit. Use anyway, and then again I type 4 digits, my own passcode. Create the passcode. Done. Alright, so in this point is up to you. Restore from iCloud Backup or restore from Mac or PC, transfer directly from iPhone, or move data from Android if you got already Android device, or don't transfer apps and data if you want to start freshly as a new iPhone. In my situation, I will restore from Icloud Backup. So I need the Apple ID. Now I entered my Apple ID with password. So next step is next, and then we see iCloud, terms and conditions, read and agree. It may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. Choose backup. So yesterday or 21st of July, latest backup. So from yesterday at 4:49, which I backed up my previous iPhone SE, this one. Okay, location services, enable or disable is up to you. Enable. Apple Pay, set up later in wallet. iCloud keychain, don't use, or if you use, continue. Siri, if you use, continue. If not, set up later in settings. iPhone analytics, share with Apple, share with developers. Alright, so now we need a new software update. Apple iPhone new software, the latest one, iOS 14.2.1. We need to connect to Wi-Fi. Already we connected to Wi-Fi. We need to download the new software and install it for the new iPhone. Passcode, and now it's downloading. We need to agree. Terms and conditions. Update requested. Still takes some times to do software updates, several minutes. About 3 minutes remaining now. Still downloading update. Now preparing update. It's almost done. Verifying update. Software update iOS 14.2.1. Capacity 1 GB. Installing update. Verifying. Now the phone in this situation is restarting your iPhone. You need to leave it to restart. Installing, you need to leave it. Takes a few minutes. So still installing, so don't worry if it takes several minutes. Just leave it like that and it will be installed properly. Now restore completed apps and data will continue downloading in the background, your previous apps and data, till it will be completed after software update. So continue. Apple Pay, set up later. wallet. Again, improved Siri and dictation, not now. Okay, display zoom, standard or zoomed one, standard. If you want zoomed, just tap zoom, but I want standard. Continue. Welcome to iPhone. That's it, it's ready. Now the iPhone ready to be used, and some apps is running in the background to be completed, loading, waiting, so you need to leave them to be done, and everything is fine. Thanks for watching, take care, bye.